Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix payment method was declined in App Store. If you are using any iPhone or iPad and you're facing this type of issue that whenever you try to install any app from your App Store or you want to try or to make any transaction, you see an error that your payment method was declined. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to go back from here, open your settings app, and you have to make sure that you have a stable and the strongest network connection. Then go back from here, go to general section, go to VPN and device management, and just make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected, just have to disconnect with that. After disconnecting VPN, just go back, go to software update, and just try to update your software. After updating software, and go back, go to language and region option, select region, and select your own region from here. After selecting your region, you just have to go back from here, tap on your Apple ID, and then just select media and purchases, then select view account, and here you just have to verify yourself using your Face ID or your Apple ID password, and then select manage payments, and you just have to try to delete your payment method from here. So once you have deleted your payment method, just tap on country or region option from here, and you have to re-add your same payment method. The very first you have to just select your own country or region in which you are living, or you can select the country or region which you have just selected in your iPhone setting. I'm gonna reselect this as I have already selected this one. Then tap on continue option here. Then tap on agree in the top right, and here just enter your payment method. So you have to enter your payment method correctly. After that, you have to enter your billing address. You have to enter your street. Then these two are optional, so you can skip them. Then enter your postcode. If you don't know about this, you can try to search from Google. Then enter your town, your country, your name, or your phone number, and after all this time done, option in the top right, and your payment method will be successfully updated, and your billing address will be also updated. So if there will be an issue with your payment method, it will be fixed in this step and you'll not get the issue again. But if you're still facing the same issues, that's the only way. You have to go to your Apple Support app. You can easily install this app from your App Store, or you can use Apple Support Web. Select iPhone from here, select this more option, and here select App Store. Or you can also go back and select subscription and purchases, select unable to purchase, and here just wait for the loading. Then select get more help, then tap on call us. After that, you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number, and you will be connected with Apple Support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.